we run out of time. I wanted to pay a big thank you to Ted back there, who's been awesome. Thank you, Ted. He's a professional and a gentleman and a scholar. He's been, as you know, filming the whole class here, and we're going to package it somehow, and I'll let you know what's going on with that. But it's gonna be very cool. And, but he's been so awesome the whole week. I couldn't let another moment go by without saying a big thank you to him. I sent Lisa a message saying I think we might be able to maybe do the certificate program a little bit earlier. I haven't heard from her, so I'm hoping maybe she can get back here maybe around 3:30, and we can get out a little bit early today, which would be very nice. Because everybody has to go somewhere important. It's Friday, and I think we've done enough content here. What's that?
It's my first weekend off after 3 weeks non-stop.
Oh my goodness, we gotta get you out of here. Where's the party, Harris?
I'm going to Europe actually.
Oh, are you?
Sure, the moment I will arrive there, the wind will be raining.
Oh, no, come on.
Crazy weather.
Thank you very much.
Oh, my pleasure. So if we can get back here, I don't know, 25 after.
To go to the
old way.
to go to the Apple App Store or go to Google Play, which now has changed from Android Marketplace. So to somebody who is not used to downloading applications, this can be a bit intimidating to them. So I started to work with a company called Zoo.
You're talking about what?
Something I'm doing at work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the company that I'm working with, they're a mobile marketing company, and it's called StarStar. So basically, StarStar is a new type of mobile phone number. It's basically a 1-800 number that's masked, and you can put in your vanity name. So like this is CBS Sports. So obviously I work at a television studio, which is also a television station, which is also a network, which is also a mobile application, which is also an online retailer. And they also work with the NFL. So this is how they message on TV, to simply call StarStar CBS, which is the network's name. And that's 227. Obviously, you're reconfirming and showing the customer, because obviously, if somebody has a BlackBerry, you can't see that it's the letters and the numbers basically from the dialer. So it's that StarStar 227 from your mobile phone, and it's an easy call to action. So basically, it's how it works. You dial StarStar 227, then they get an automatic text, and the text triggers a download of the applications directly to their phone. So it's device agnostic. And it's also demographic agnostic. How easy is it to dial StarStar whatever? So my campaign,
What's the size of the app?
I'm not sure.
Sorry, are you opting in?
I'm going to show you how it works in a minute. So basically, what they say is what's getting between the brands and consumers is friction with current solutions, lack of scale, fragmentation. Look at all these different elements. You have Facebook, 1-800 numbers, text, a short code to a keyword to a short code. You have Shazam, which is image and sound recognition, QR codes, and Twitter. And they also say that this is the reason why QR codes fail, despite growing visibility for QR codes. And I know this might be negating some of the things that we learned this week. It says, despite growing visibility for QR codes across various points with out-of-house media, a ComScore study from June 2011 found that 14 million mobile users in the U.S., representing 6.2% of the total mobile audience, scanned a QR code on their mobile device. And we ran a QR code campaign. We kept the QR code up on our HD feed, and it was not successful because people weren't walking up off of their couch to go scan a QR code in the comfort of their own home. So what we did is we launched StarStar HSN to drive downloads and increase viewer engagement. So basically, it's a IV. Does everybody know what an IVR menu is? The interactive voice response. So when you call a number, you hear like options, like when you call a operator. So this is what the customer sees on our TV, on our station at all times. Download the HSN mobile app. Simply call StarStar HSN, which is StarStar 476. So this is what you hear. So it's basically like a 1-800 number, but it's masked.
Thanks for calling StarStar HSN.
To download our mobile or tablet app, please press 1. To join us on live chat, please press 2. Please press 3. Press 0 for help. Message and data rates may apply.
So if the customer wanted to download the application, all they'd have to do is press 1, and automatically on the back end it's detected that this is an iPhone, and they're sent a text message. So all the customer now has to do is click the link, and now they've downloaded our application. And it makes it really, really easy to download the application. So now customers don't have to be intimidated by going to the Apple Store, putting in a credential, or going to the Android app, because some don't even really understand it. The third option is a free coupon. So we have customers who obviously want to get free shipping and handling. And then the second one is our live chat, which is, it's basically a new customer engagement tool that we use. It's only within the on mobile web and within our application. So we have hosts that are on TV. We have 24/7. Our customers get to engage with hosts and celebrities right from their phone. So they can ask questions about the product, and then you have other customers who are brand ambassadors for the products, and they can give real-time reviews. And I think this is where retailers are moving, where you have customers who are so dependent on reviews, asking other customers in real time, well, what do you think about this particular item? What do you think about, how does it work? How did the dress fit? And they can ask them right there, and this is going on 24/7, 365 days. So how did I use this? Well, my birthday is coming up, so I decided, I've never had a birthday party before, so I wanted to have, it's a digital experience. So basically, I worked with the company to create my digital download. So my short code is *Jan30 because I'm turning 30. So all of my party guests heard this.
Hi, it's Janet. I can't wait to see you at my 30th birthday party. To RSVP, please click on the link that was just sent to your mobile device. If you're having trouble seeing the information, just email the link to yourself. You must RSVP by August 1st, and you have to have your name on the guest list to gain entry. There are no exceptions. This is a digital experience and a highly interactive party, so I expect you to be fashionable, but not fashionably late, because that's not in this season. See you on August 18th at 8 p.m. Bye.
So I told them who, what, when, where, and how to get there. So basically, now a link was sent to their phone, and I used an online service like Evite, Paperless Post. You click on the link, and the link had the address to the party location. I'm not on Wi-Fi, but basically it links directly to my invite. So now it links also to Google Maps. So now now my guest list has, I'm so used to that, has the Google Map to my party, so they can't say that they got lost. They have the address, so they can't say they never had it, and then they have all of the information, what's around it, using Google Maps. So it made it really easy, and there's no paper involved. I didn't send out paper invitations, and this is a text fight, so it was text to each person with the personal image. So it's a complete digital experience, and it'll be like a lot of interactive elements at the party. But this is just one way that you can take a mobile marketing campaign and integrate it into an event. So that, Paris, you can do something like this for your events where you have people calling in, because people will always call and say, I forgot the address, or I don't know where it is, where to where. They can text you, they can text and answers, and that's it. And that's the question that I'm getting to. But I told them, don't be late. I don't care what you wear, just don't be late.
Hey, Jan,
So
I missed something. So you text the number?
no,
and
you
then-
don't text, you
I mean,
call.
you
'cause
call
it's-
the number,
Mhm.
but then how do you get the text? Do I?
It automatically sent it to your phone. So so in the message I said, click on the link that was just sent to your phone.
But is it an opt-in then? Or?
No, you just call it and it automatically sends but by you calling it, you're triggering, it's not like a program.
You can add an opt-in if you wanted to, though, right?
But it's not really an opt-in because it's just a message coming to you. By you calling, you're already saying that you want to receive that message.
What kind of reporting do you have? Do you have reporting on the number that people
Now,
use?
since you know the laws, DCPI laws, you can't really tell who's calling, but you
Right.
can tell the frequency. Now, for the HSN, I can see we can do heat maps across America to see what locations are calling HSN most, but I can't see specifically numbers because of security and privacy laws.
And when you said that you download the app, but what kind of an app is it? Was it a web app?
For what?
With the like the Home Shopping Network, you said download the iPhone app and you
Mhm.
bypass iTunes and
Mhm.
stuff like that. Which is
Well,
kinda
you're not
weird.
really bypassing. You're sending a link and it links directly into iTunes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you still have to put in your user ID to pay for, or no, you don't have to pay for the app, but even if it's free
Right,
app, you
but
still
that
have to pay.
pops up automatically because you're already in
Got
the
it.
store. Like the link
Yeah.
takes you directly to the store. So the way that I'm also so this is the actual invitation.
But you could send any content on that link. It could be a Magneto app, right?
Yep, you can send any link to any content at all. So I created the digital invite, and it makes it really easy because the customer would only have to press reply, and then I'm managing it, huh? The guest, sorry, I keep saying customer. And I'm managing the guest list with the application. They feel like customers, I'm telling you.
Are there going to be any midgets?
No, right? So basically, also, I'm using the company's application to manage my guest list. So I can delete people from the guest list. I can resend it for them. I can send them directions, all from the application.
How
So
expensive is it?
it's free. It's all paperless post, like Evite.
What's the name of the company?
Paperless post.
Paperless Post?
What's the name of it?
It's like a
Can you
mo-
put it on Facebook?
Yeah, I can. Paperless post is like a more sophisticated Evite because Evite's very very
I'm
elementary.
not gonna be here for your birthday. Can I see one smoke?
Of course, Cam, go ahead, do it. Yeah, so paperless post, obviously, it's more of an adult type of invitation. It's not very kiddie, it's not very elementary, and it's very sophisticated because it looks very textured. So paperless post is now a competitor to Evite. I don't know if, you can just link it. It's all about basically linking URLs to QR codes, linking them to text messages, and makes it easier for the customer. So now nobody can say, oh, I forgot the invitation at home. If they say, where's the party? I just push the button and I send it directly to them.
Nice. Very nice.
And this Star is coming internationally.
It's
so
free? How could
It's free. What?
free?
Everything is free.
There's advertising.
There's no advertising.
What else are you gonna have inside the party?
For paperless post is absolutely free. Just like Evite's free. Paperless post makes money on the additional I guess not traffic. Number one, when you register for my party, you're also registering for paperless post. So obviously they get your contact information. So that's where that's the benefit for them. And their business model, if you want to include like fancier paper or stamps, they have like kind of like in-app transactions. It's a freemium model in a way. But I don't pay anything, so I did this completely free.
What else are you gonna have in the party?
In the party, I'm gonna have like digital graffiti. I'm gonna Skype in. It's gonna be a Google Hangout, so I'm Skyping in my family from overseas. So it's gonna be on the walls, and so the Google Hangout, they'll be able to see what's going on in my party, even though a lot of them are coming back over with me. It's gonna be digital graffiti on the wall. It's gonna be text greetings to the wall. So if somebody, and it's moderated, so nobody can say anything bad. But it's like say Jacqueline says happy birthday Jan, it'll show up on the walls. It's digital decor, so everything is going to be, there's no paper, so everything is digital, and you need your phones. I'm doing a story for BizBash. It's a event planners, yeah. So basically how to take your party completely digital.
Great, very
Huh? Thank you. So I'm not showing up. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. Star is not free. That I'll say. Star is not free. It actually costs about I'll just disclose it. I mean, you guys are all leaving the country anyway. It costs us about $5,000, and we're doing a trial with them, and that's why right now I'm doing everything that I can to get as much placement on TV with the Star HSN, because I have 6 months to basically prove that this campaign is working, or else I am going to have some trouble because it's costing us $5,000 a month. So I need to have increase our app downloads. Of course, that turns into revenue and everything like that. But the Star company works with CBS. They work with NFL. They work with a lot of Coca-Cola, Degree, and so when what's his name from Easy Text was saying certain things about texting, it's so easy. I mean, for our customer, she's 55 to 65 years old. This makes it so easy for her to get the application, because the majority of our customers are on tablets at prime time. They're watching TV and they're also browsing. So now they can call in and get the application. And if you notice, obviously you can't call a tablet because it's not connected to a phone number. So in the voicemail, I said if you're on a tablet, copy the URL to your browser or email it to yourself, because it's very ambiguous on how to get an application onto a tablet if you're not clear, basically. So I had to say, if you're on a tablet, email the link to yourself, because most people get their email on their tablet and they can just click on the link and then it'll trigger an automatic download.
It's too bad that when you call the number, it doesn't append your email and send you an email.
I know, right? But I can shoot it back with the application.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pardon me?
Very cool.
Can I share that deck? I can share that deck. I'm not Bruce.
Do you know when the article's coming out?
I didn't. The party's not till the 18th, so yeah. Thank you.
It's very cool.
Never seen anything like that.
Can we Skype in?
You can. I want you to. You
I see
should.
trending weddings where, people that can't come, they live stream.
Yeah.
The weddings they put the,
But
the
it's a
cameras
no-
in a certain
yeah.
place, and all the families from abroad just get around the camera and watch the wedding.
Yeah. So that's part of it. Thank you. I just wanted to show you guys, how you can. It's another way to do mobile marketing, and if QR codes aren't working because they didn't work for us, this
Are
was
you
our
gonna
new
have any
thing.
sponsorship? So will you be promoting anything?
For the
Your
party?
Yeah.
No sponsorship. It's hard to sell an idea in unless you do the whole presentation. And then remember, I don't live up here anymore, so it's no sponsorship unless you'd like to sponsor. I know you work for the government in Dominican Republic.
We don't sponsor alcohol like that.
Oh, I don't drink, so.
I see.
Well, thank you guys. I just wanted to show this to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right, so MJ. Am I supposed to like? It's all right. Jan. Thank you. You're welcome. Amy. Ami. And I always mispronounce your name. Kyle. Diego. Cool, thank you. Harris. Thank you. Jacqueline. Axel.
Oh, your receipt?
I do the receipt?
Yeah, it's your receipt. Yeah.
No worries.
So if you didn't pay it, someone's gonna be following
I
up with you.
paid you more.
Denise.
Mnitz.
Alban. Elsnor. Part 1 and part 2. Lorenza. Christy. Thank you. Thank you. Darren. Thanks. Yeah. Anya.
Tanya, you want a picture?
Elenira. Nero, sorry.
Sorry, but I'm Brazilian, so I have to give a hug.
moving or childcare class yet. My husband was like, no more marketing.
You don't teach any of those, do you?
There is in a completely separate department. Not-
Seriously?
Yeah, I think so.
Mobile birthday.
EMT on board.
Okay, we're gonna take a class photo.
Yeah.
Right here, but Miss is giving the envelope to people.
You can take a picture, no one's gonna see the video.
Okay, so everyone, we're gonna take it right in front of them.
So we will know.